Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you're doing well. It was in the middle of recording a few moments ago and the camera dropped and I went to pick it up and it discarded it, so having to start all over again. So anyway, we're starting off with this Studebaker Champ, which I really like this pickup truck. Glad to add this to my collection, but there's a few more I'd like to add that are all Studebaker Champs. And that's a real nice casting. I like this one. And like the white with the black and red graphics on it. And getting ready for the next car, or the next one to show you. And things are looking good, guys. Getting ready to use my sleep apnea machine tonight. And anyway, guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright, guys, next one. Oh yeah, the Datsun 620. Okay, there we go. It's the Datsun 620. Oops, wrong one. And pretty nice. Yeah, I remember these way back in the 70s and early 80s. Back in the 80s, they were turning these things into mini trucks and slamming them, and they were so low to the ground. And remember, a lot of my friends had these back in the day. And it's a pretty cool truck. I like all these old little small pickup trucks like the Datsun you see here in the Toyotas. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one's a 1975 Datsun Sunny truck. This one, I just got this one probably about a month ago, maybe a little more than that. And I remember this one, picking this one up, and one of the other ones from the same set was the 68 Mazda Cosmo Sport. Yeah, 68 Mazda Cosmo Sport. I showed that one to you last night. It's a white one. And those two, and I can't remember, there was a third one I got too that came in the same set. This got real nice graphics to it. I mean, detail to it. Really nice looking pickup trucks. This is what the mini trucks looked like back then. And pretty cool. I had a lot of friends had the Nissan hard bodies. So, alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Oh yeah, the Mazda REPU. It's a nice pickup truck. Hold on a sec, guys. There we go. Real nice Mazda truck. I really like this. Not so much detail in the front, but the sides and the back. Nice detail to it. And pretty cool looking truck. I like this one a lot. And let's start with the gonna go to the 1974 Escort. 1974 Escorts RS 1600s. So, alright guys, let's go ahead and go to those. And start off with the black one from the Gumball, the Gumball 3000, that's what it was. This one's pretty cool. I've had these for quite some time. Pretty cool looking casting. I like these. I have actually two of these. I have this one and the next one coming up. Pretty cool looking casting. Okay, guys, let's go to the next one. There's the white one. There we go. I have the white and black. Glad I have two different color variations. Kind of like the white one better though. Make me think of the rally cars. They're pretty cool looking now. Like these old, I love the old cars back in the day. Alright guys, let's go around one more time. I just see, yeah, passenger side. Okay. And here's the Castrol one. This one's pretty cool looking casting. Had to really go to something different. I just got burned out putting the same cars in and out, and so had to do something different for a while. So I got a lot of cars here to show you, a lot of stuff. And anyway, I like this Castrol sponsor on this. Pretty cool looking casting. Not a whole lot of graphics to it though. Alright guys, let's go next one. Next one is a blue one. I have one more to show you after this. And pretty cool looking castings. I also have, just like this one, Fast and Furious. It's a 1/64 scale, but it's bigger. It's wider and a little bit longer. And I wish they'd just keep them all one size, and I'm not sure if it's Hot Wheels. I think it is. Yeah. It's actually the Fast and Furious set made by Mattel, but it's not Hot Wheels. It's just much, much bigger. Alright guys, let's go next one. And there's another one, the last one of the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Pretty cool looking casting. This is also, I think this is part of the door slammers. Yeah, and it's pretty cool looking. I like those quite a bit. I got the BMW as well, but I'm trying to find the Datsun 210. I'd like to add that to my collection. The other two, not so much. And the Alfa Romeo is pretty cool looking, but the rest of them, not so much. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys. The 71 Datsun 510 wagon. This one came from a 5-pack, I should say. And just not too crazy about the graphics on this. Kind of awkward to me. Like somebody went a little too wild on this. I like these wagons though, but just not the detail on the car. This don't look right. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. This one, there you go. You know where this one came from? I probably had this about 4 or 5 times before it went in the package. I dig on this one a lot better than the other one. It's my second one I have in my collection. I'm going to show you the third one, which is pretty cool. I really like this next one. It's actually the next two. Both Real Riders. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. This one came from the 50th favorites. So this one, I really like this. I love the color, the detail on this. It's really a nice looking casting. Real nice looking. I really like this a lot. Love this shade of blue. Like I say, blue, orange, and yellow are my favorite colors on cars. Red, not so much. It's a real nice casting. I really enjoy this one. Glad I have this in my collection. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one, which is the last one for the night. Yeah, there you go. It's a Nissan Skyline van, which they call a van. It's actually a wagon. But this is really sweet looking casting. Like this one a lot. I'm going to move it over that hump. There we go. On the tape that's underneath that thing to keep that rubber piece on there. But anyway, this is a real nice looking casting. This one and the last Datsun are really nice. Really nice. I like this one because it's a solid color and it's not busy and it's all the decorations on it. It's sometimes gets to be too much. And anyway, this casting is really nice. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be the last one for the night. I hope you guys doing well. And one other thing, Mike Dyson, go ahead and get a hold of me. I got my Wi-Fi turned back on. And we can begin to set these things up so we can send our packages off to each other. And let me know when you're ready. Go ahead and email me. flashback1727@gmail.com. Alright guys, take care of yourselves, have a good night, be good to each other, be well, and I'll be talking to you guys real soon. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.